Okay, so it is exactly 12 noon on Thursday. It is vacation, so we don't have school. And my sister is still sleeping. I have been up since 7, and she is still sleeping. So what I'm going to do is, I decided instead of going inside and saying, yo, hey, you gotta wake up. It's fucking noon. Decided what I'm going to do. I'm going to bring my laptop into her room quietly, and it's going to blast Nicki Minaj's You a Stupid Hoe. Or Stupid Hoe, but, it's, you know, You a Stupid Hoe, Stupid... Oh, fuck, shit. So we're going to blast that song. And any of you who say otherwise, you a stupid hoe. You see what I did there? Okay. Alright, doing that little thing that I wanted to do. Please don't do that. Great. It's all white and shit now. Great. I love it when plans go wrong. The Adobe Flash plugin has crashed. What the fuck? Okay, so I got it back up to the part where it was supposed to be on. And I had to listen to the same stupid lyrics again. Okay, change of plans. I'm just gonna go charging in. Rise and shine! Rise and shine! It's the afternoon. Wake up. She's completely dead. Hey, come on. Come on. You can do it. Ah. You see this? Okay. I see how we're gonna play. You see this shit that she's giving me here? Wake up. Wake up right now. Are you blockading the door and then going back to sleep? Because it won't work. I have a laser gun. I'm gonna melt the doorknob off. Bzzz. Oh my god, it glows. That's cool. Looks like a glowing gem. I think I just made a fascinating discovery. For science. But no, seriously, are you going back to sleep? It's noon. I got a laser gun. Don't make me bzzz. Yeah, the lights are off. She blockaded the door. Yeah, she like moved her bed to the... You can't stay in there forever. I'll find a way in. Don't think I won't. I probably can't. That's a really tough bed. Nicki Minaj didn't work. The gun didn't work. It's been exactly 7 minutes. Someone tells me nothing's gonna work. So... this is Chris. Signing off, I guess. I don't know how to make proper endings. I lost a little bit of my manlyhood just now. Ah yes, I almost forgot. Look at that wonderful dislike bar. No, it's okay. Here, allow me. Victory.